All right, abusia ne full video about how you can apply for the Canada visit visa. Now they are copy mu akɔhwɛ World Cup 26 no ebi ɛwɔ hɔ. Edi kan ka kyerɛ sɛ Ghana your first match ɛwɔ World Cup no ɛbɛbɔ no Toronto, Canada. So before so bɛkɔ hɔ no, you definitely need Canadian tourist visa and visit visa as a wetin dey kwa pii mu ɛwɔ hɔ. Before say obey Canada application bia no, the only website that can guarantee and say where you can apply for the visa is canada.ca. So what you will do is offer or device so with your how do you call it, browser. I will use it. You just open the search engine or the search the search engine. You just type in canada.ca. Now I click it, enter. So when you click the enter, see anabeba, right? It is a biba. This is how it looks like. So you just click on the English. What the French is, so now we select it and also. Now this is the website. So what we are looking at is how you can apply for the visit visa. So this is the canada.ca. Open Canada, either job or anything. This website. So here you come to the immigration and citizenship, right? This is the immigration and citizenship. So you just click on the immigration and citizenship. So a belodi, it is a lodi bar. You see, come to Canada for work, study or travel, and take steps towards becoming a permanent resident. So this is not what we are looking for. So you scroll down, right? You scroll down until before so be hunu application no, and as a kwan be fast so abey no. Your portal visa application so your friend said the IRCC portal. So here you come and select. We have different kinds of IRCC portal, about 3. Kwan be fast so be applying no. We have about 3, but for this one, this is what we are going to see today. So your application or your IRCC application, so you click on that. Afi we select it and we na say ebia the next page, eba. You could see that this the account or this is the portal you are going to apply for the visa, and will say the application process, including exploring immigration programs, document you may need, how to apply and others. So you just come down, get ready to apply. So you just go through their immigration programs and then also using the representatives to apply protective and other stuff. I will scroll down number 2 no, right? Number 2 never has say sign in into your IRCC account. So you just choose or you just select that one. Sign into your IRCC account. Now with that, a BBA next page aba. So you have many accounts you could be looking for. So IRCC medical catches or more about 3 different websites, and I said 3 different portal. I'll be to me at the apply visa. Now the easiest one, and I'm saying they have the new IRCC, the new IRCC version. So when you come here, you best select it. You don't have an account. You don't have an account. So if you don't have an account, so here you see Obusa will say we have many accounts. Let's help you find. So here when Udru has say tell us what you want to apply for, as we will point you to the page where you can find out to apply. So here you know the program you want to apply. So here you just select, the program you want to apply. If you select you want to explore the immigration, it will take you back to page now you free wire bar. So you just click on the first one. So also we has say so here you select the visiting visa, right? As for the visiting visa to a bar, now I select a visitor visa. The visitor visa. Now, and no so below the aba. So when it opens like this is where it will take you to. So let's create this one for now. So I say you will see who needs visitor visa, who can apply, how to apply. After you apply, prepare your arrival. So here you scroll down, right? We encourage you to apply online if possible. So that is why new IRCC portal number. So you just scroll down here. So prepare, document and apply. The reason you are traveling to Canada determines the way you apply the document you need to submit, right? And so why are you applying for a visitor visa? So to visit as a tourist, right? To visit as a tourist, then you select that. After we are scroll it down, then you select the continue. Here, ɔba abɛkyerɛ wo document a wobɛhia nyinaa a wode bɛyɛ wo visa application no. Ɔba abɛkyerɛ wo ne nyinaa ɛwɔ ha. So gather these documents to submit your application during your application and bring when you travel. Okay, so see now it's about the documents listed. Not all documents listed are required. Some are optional. And then this is not an exhaustive list of acceptable proof of support your visa application. So you read it and the document, and what has said. So as a tourist, these are the documents that you need. Your passport. You scroll down into your church or normal will be here. You fill these family forms. There are a lot of forms that you need to fill out the become application. So this is how it is, and then your biometric and other stuff. So these are the how do you call it, document will be here. So here you see I told you that we have the IRCC portal and the IRCC new version. So this one you say no won't apply be that, but ade be ni say what apply be that there you won't use the new version. So won't apply any Canada visa there, you go and use the new version. So you select the new version, right? You select the new version. So a baby aba. So apply online using the IRCC portal new version. So you scroll down. We are testing this new account. You may be able to use it to apply for a visitor visa or super visa. So the IRCC portal new version is in development. We are still developing, improving, and expanding what is available in this account. So you just scroll down, right? You just scroll down. So here is that register for IRCC an IRCC portal, the new version. Obey your eligibility test. So with this test, you just click here, the first one, register, right? Yeah, so and also a baby abba. So they will ask you some few questions, then you answer them. And it say umitia. Yes, so this is the questions that I was talking about. So the new IRCC portal, let me zoom it. Yes, so it said check if you can use the new IRCC version. So as you can see here, the new IRCC version is only available for visitor visa application and for select applicants. So you just scroll down. These are the eligibility tests. So I'll say, are you 18 years of age or older? So you select yes. If you select no, right? Do you live outside Canada? Yes, you have to select yes. And then also, are you traveling by yourself? Yes. It's a one group and you need to apply using the old IRCC version. Are you filling out the application forms by yourself? The application by yourself. Here to you select yes. So what the agent and say agent na wo de ya ha say no we obeka to say unqualified nti ya na wa hye no so. Are you applying for a visitor visa or super? Yes. And then also what scroll about the last one. Have you applied to visit Canada before? If you select yes, so obeka just one pass it. So you just select no. So now no, I am applying for the first time. So you just scroll down. Don't want to apply without new version. So when so you just click on the continue, right? Just click on the continue. So you see we are catch say we then qualify, right? Or qualify. So look at the message or the ebaha or say you can apply through the IRCC new version. Enter your name and email address. We will send you an invitation link, right? Okay, so the name, let's say we are going to use Grace, right? Let's use the Ade, right? Like this. Then you scroll down, then you select Grace. So let's type in Grace here. Okay, so with this Grace, we just go and find the email we can use. So you just copy. Let's copy the email here and paste it here. Okay, so there is the email we want to use. Then you submit it, right? Then you submit. So you see, I'll say an invitation email sent. So check your email. So you go to your email, then you go and check. So this is the IRCC new version, right? IRCC. So you just click on it. So this is the link they are talking about. This is the link they are talking about. You have submitted a request to apply for a visitor visa through IRCC new version. To create an account, click the link below. So you click the link, and also they will call another page or different page. And will call different page. So take time na enload the kama. When it opens, I'll say so terms and conditions. You take your time and read all this, right? Take your time and read it. Don't skip. Read it. So yes, I have read and accept. I have read and understood the terms and conditions. Jebusha ha say no udru ha obemo create account ho mistakenly oko type bibia ontime nsesa no oko type bibia enya ontime nsesa no. So watch how you are typing. So bibisa o first name no na aha your friend say wabrof din, right? Enti use Grace and so this is Grace. And oko o say name you use Ade and no. And then also the email that we used and the ashahana. Here they will ask you to choose a password, and the password will requirement or say your password must have at least 8 characters, one uppercase letter and others. Inti yen choose password be emfa enye na yen hade. So let's use let's use this let's use this yes, let's use this. So this is the password we are using. This is the password we are using. So you come here and confirm the password. You come and confirm the password, right? Like this. You confirm. Make sure say ni na pepepe. Make sure say ni na pepepe. Say nye pepepe untimi and continue ho. So creating this account, you need to check it very well. Email required. Sorry, let's paste the email here. Your password do not match, right? As I told you. See, your password do not match. So I think there is a problem here. Yes, so let's continue here. Oh, okay, they want me to type in the password. Right, I hope udru na say I think say o copy email ni hye you can't continue. O copy email na you can't continue. So I just say unya abotre ye den e type hye ho. I say unya abotre e type hye ho. So take note of that. The password do not match again. So you see the password you okay, so it's like this. I'm Ghana at 50. Right, let's confirm it here. I'm Ghana at 50. Then let's create the account. Let's see what will. Okay, so I think you're creating accounts now, right? You're creating accounts now. You know, this page to a baby into where I say they will send a verification code. So you need to go back to your mail and then check the code. Check the code that they've sent you. So this was the code, right? And the code no more send by any and one say click a year continue no eso. And also below the aba to verify your account. This is to verify your account. This is to verify your account. I hope you get me right. So this is to verify your account. So your verification no. Let's continue. So sign into the new IRCC portal. So this the account that we created, right? This is it. So you just click on the I'm a human, right? So you click on I'm a human. Then you go to you go back to your email. They will still send you a code to verify again. They will send you a code to verify the account again. So this is the code that they just sent. So what apply ayana what taking note, and as why very careful about that. Ayana wahwe we are besia ebekono. We are has no ebe log in, and as ebe log into your account. So this is the new IRCC portal, and this is how to create an account. This is how to register. They have to register for the IRCC account. That is the new version. So when you come here, we will solve questions, right? Yeah, we will solve questions. So let's continue from here. This is your telephone type, and then you select Ghana, right? Just select Ghana. After you have or telephone number na there. Add the assure. About telephone number na there assure. Until we are. Then you continue. I have say the security. They will ask you some questions. Then you answer. So with the question, this is the question 1. You select from the questions that they are asking you. So they are asking you about in what city or town did your mother and father. I don't think I was there, but let's use that one. Accra. You scroll down. What is your favorite childhood food? Rice. Let's select rice. And then the question 3, what is pet, right? What was the name of your first pet? Let's just select cat. Then we continue. Until we continue, we are the account is set. The account is set. Today is Friday, December 12th, and we create your accounts now. So you have created the IRCC account as we were talking about. The part 2 will come very soon, and that one is going to be how you can apply for the visitor visa, particularly for the World Cup. Yes, particularly for the World Cup. So take note of that.